After only cycling 20 kilometers from Dushanbe, I met 3 French cyclists. 2 of them are behind me, and 1 is in front of me. I've already got company. It's nice. We've just been invited to go have dinner, spend the night at this guy's house.
Un, deux, trois. Okay. Правильно?
Hello. Hello.
Allergie. Allergie? Et toi? Welcome in Tajikistan!
Bastian, what do you think we found?
We found a beer crack.
I had a problem today. My right shoe cracked. It doesn't really sit on the clamp anymore. I'm gonna have to replace one of my shoes with my tennis shoes. This is Bob. He's my new 10-kilo friend. He's gonna cycle with me through the Pamirs.
I think it's a 20-kilo friend.
Sebastian, how do you feel about Tajik hospitality?
Just amazing. Amazing.
Let me show you guys what the road has turned into. I will definitely be walking this one. This wouldn't even be fun with a mountain bike. The hospitality in Tajikistan has been pretty incredible. Luckily I got taken in right as the sun was going down, and there were the two couples cycling from Poland already at the house. I had wondered where they had gone, and I think they have till August 24th to finish the Pamir highway. That's a little too short. They will be taking a bus today. I don't know how far or where a bus even comes from here. Great hospitality, great people. I don't know why more people don't talk about the hospitality of Tajikistan. I just broke my record of elevation. In Armenia, I topped 3,235 meters, and now I just crossed 3,252 meters. Not a lot of a difference, but it's still a record. There should be plenty more records to be broken here up in the Pamirs. 2 nights ago, I slept with the Polish team in Safedorin in a house. Then I saw them get a ride going up the pass, and then I just passed them today in the morning, and they're trying to get a ride all the way to Khorog. This is my 6th day after leaving Dushanbe, and the last 2 days I've had diarrhea. I can't really figure out how I'm getting diarrhea, so I decided just to eat watermelon today. And I've had 2 5-kilo watermelons. I had one around 1 o'clock and another one at 3 o'clock. So I'm hoping tomorrow I can eat some solid food and feel good again. I have to wait my turn. I'm in Tajikistan. I'm with Saudi, Saeed, Omar, and they found the cure to my stomach problems. So I drank this tea and they claim I will be good. No more stomach issues. So please, please work. I found this guy on my back. I arrived to Khorog about 2 days ago and I've just been eating bananas, rice, potatoes and carrots, and I think that has done the trick, plus a little rest. So my stomach bug lasted for about 8 days. Those guys were wrong, that tea did not help, but I am feeling much better now. Khorog's a nice little city. It has about everything you need. It has a bazaar that you can find just about everything you want. I've been staying at the Pamir Lodge, camping for about $5 a night. The people have been really helpful. I've met tons of cyclists and motorcyclists. Matt and I got chosen to go to a town and be interviewed to talk about Tajikistan. How do you feel about this, Matt?
It's going to be pretty epic.
We're on our cultural exchange in Pamir village. Got these amazing apricots, fresh from the tree. I was told for my stomach problems not to eat these, they're bad for you, but I should definitely eat table sugar because it's good for me. Everything has butter on it, so it's been difficult for me to eat, but these beans are really good. This bread is nice. If I could eat butter and milk, I'm sure this would all be very delicious.
I'm not a vegan and I can't eat buttermilk, and it's fantastic.
Back on the guitar. We're having some technical difficulties. New car, new adventure.
Yeah.
Say it again. Say it again, man. Come on. Go away, drunk guy. Go away. This is how you get rid of drunk people. You put a video on. But say it again. Say it again.
Pamir is incredible. I'm definitely going to come back.
The hospitality's been incredible. In Tajikistan, and I'm excited to Going to the Afghan market, and I'm going with a convicted criminal behind me. That's why he can't go to Canada and use his ski pass. To the Afghan market, guys. To the Afghan market. Are you excited, Lucas?
Oh man, I am so excited.
You know why I'm excited is because I get a free piece of Afghan material. Did you guys know that 1 mile is 1.61 kilometers?
I didn't.
Oh, it's eyeliner. It's the original coal eyeliner. Oh, got it. Very nice.
Welcome to Afghan market.
Is this the hat you've been dreaming of?
Yeah, for years.
So here we find some ostrich shampoo. It's a great gift for your mom and dad. Just bought my hats. Got a deal, 40.
Oh my god, video.
I didn't plan on buying anything. Extra weight for the bicycle.
Show your prize.
Did you guys like the bazaar or what?
Yeah, it was great. Excellent.
After 9 wonderful days in Khorog, resting and recovering at Pamir Lodge, all good things come to an end. I have to continue cycling.
Have a safe trip. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.